Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is serenity. Peace comes from within, and when you're doing the things that you love to do, when you stick to the essentials of your soul. Scorpio, I don't need to say this to you because you do this automatically, but what you do and what makes you happy, do what makes you happy. Because that's going to make sure that things and ideas flow to your creativity, your creative juices start flowing, and that's how you produce your best product. I know we love to be in solitude, and that's fine. Take some time in solitude. Enjoy that. Don't feel as though the world is letting you know that you're missing something. You're not missing anything. It's fine to pop out. It's fine to socialize, but make sure you spend time for yourself, that serenity each time a day to refill yourself, because it's draining your battery to be of the world, be in the world and keeping up with the Joneses, friendships, helping everyone. But what does it help you to when you return home to have a drained battery? Make sure that you keep your battery charged. Make sure you keep your pitcher filled. Fill yourself up. And how you do that is solitude, being in peace, and doing the things that you love to do. Your hobbies, your individual hobbies. Doesn't have to include anyone else. No one else has to say that it's cool. As long as it's feel good, you know what is good for you. Stick out, because you already do stick out. You're one of one. Through love, release, and inner work, I know peace. You work on yourself. Release the things that don't help you, don't uplift you, as far as grudge, anger, resentment, guilt, anything like that. You let that go, release it, and that opens up energy and space for love, prosperity, creativity to actually enter in those spaces so you become an all-powerful and peaceful being. I have a gentle view of life, and I welcome every step with confidence. You go with the flow. You're very easygoing. You always find a place to be. And I remain brave in the face of fear, because fear fears you. Once you look it in the eyes, guarantees it runs like a coward, and you win. You continue on your road of prosperity. And I have the wisdom to let the universe do its work. You go with the flow. You always can fit in, but I want you to fit in the best place, in the most healthy places, prosperous places possible, so you'll be a happy being. And life will be about living, not surviving. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.